Mopar unveiled the 2026 Dodge SIXPACK Charger concept at the 2025 SEMA show, a 550 horsepower, moparized evolution of the all-new Charger that fuses heritage muscle with cutting-edge performance. Built on the production SIXPACK's twin-turbo 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output inline-six, this concept amplifies Dodge's bold new design language with aggressive styling, functional aero, and premium interior upgrades that scream road course dominance. Under hood, the twin-turbo SIXPACK.HO engine receives a Mopar cold air intake and a stainless steel catback dual exhaust system, liberating airflow and amplifying the signature inline-six growl. No additional power figures are quoted, but the setup promises instant throttle response and a ferocious top-end rush. Mopar lowers the stance 1 inch via a performance spring kit, dropping the center of gravity for sharper turn-in, reduced body roll, and enhanced driver feedback. Rolling stock consists of custom 21 by 11 inch brass monkey 5-spoke wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance rubber, with orange Brembo brake calipers, massive fixed units front and rear peeking through for a jolt of color, and stopping power to match the 550 HP on tap. The exterior erupts in striker purple, a vivid hue that channels classic Mopar attitude, while satin carbon fiber accents hood, front splitter, and rear deck lid spoiler slice through the air. Lightweight construction shaves mass and boosts downforce, while vented carbon fiber fenders release wheel well pressure for improved high-speed stability. Full-length satin black strobe graphics race from doors to rear quarters, tying the visual package together with unmistakable intent. Inside, the award-winning cabin receives the catskin treatment, premium leather in contrasting Tuscany ink black and Palomino tan, stitched in vibrant orange and purple threads that echo the exterior theme. Mopar aluminum pedal covers sharpen driver inputs, while all-weather floor mats and cargo mat keep the cockpit pristine during spirited drives. Displayed within Mopar's sprawling 15,345 square foot South Hall booth, 44137, the SIXPACK Charger concept headlines a fleet of customized vehicles and hundreds of factory-backed parts. From carbon aero to suspension kits, every component is quality tested and production feasible, hinting at a future Mopar catalog ready to transform customer Chargers into street weapons. This isn't a retro tribute, it's a forward-looking statement. The 2026 Dodge Charger already redefines modern muscle with its standard output 420 horsepower and high output 550 horsepower twin-turbo sixes, plus an available 670 horsepower Banshee electric variant. The Moparized SIXPACK takes that foundation and injects track-ready aggression without sacrificing daily usability. Lower, wider, louder, and dripping in carbon and color, it's the Charger the Dodge enthusiasts will demand in showrooms. Mopar hasn't confirmed which parts will reach production, but the concept's blend of style and substance feel inevitable. Carbon hoods, strobe graphics, brass mucky wheels, and that purple over tan interior could hit the Mopar catalog as soon as next year. Until then, the SIXPACK Charger concept stands as the ultimate expression of what happens when Dodge DNA meets Mopar madness. 550 horsepower, zero compromise, and pure, unfiltered attitude.